everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Srishti and today we're going to make muffins. So we are cooking after a long time and you need to take your parents' help for this. So without further ado, let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a 4th cup of sugar, a 3rd cup of butter, 3 to 4 drops of vanilla essence, a half cup of condensed milk, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a 4th teaspoon of baking soda. First, we're going to put butter in our mixing bowl and whisk it until light and fluffy. Now my butter is all light and fluffy, and now I'm going to add a 4th cup of sugar in it and whisk it until it's light and fluffy. Add all of it right there and let's whisk it. Now my mixture of sugar and butter is all ready and light and fluffy, and now I'm going to add half a cup of condensed milk in this and whisk it. I mixed my condensed milk with my sugar and butter mixture, and now I'm going to add my dry ingredients, which is my all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and baking soda in it. So my mixture got too dry, so for that I'm going to add a tablespoon by tablespoon of hot water. We are adding tablespoon by tablespoon so my mixture doesn't get too liquidy. So we are adding 3 to 4 drops of vanilla essence in our mixture. So our mixture is all ready and the consistency should be like this. And now we're gonna put it in a cupcake mold. Now we're gonna grease our cupcake mold. I am using this olive oil spray. And now I'm putting my mixture into the molds, and make sure when you put them, it doesn't go above half of it, so not more than half of it. I filled all my molds with the mixture. Now we need to preheat our oven at 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Now our oven is preheated. Now we'll put our molds into the oven and bake it at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Muffins are ready, and I would really appreciate if you try this recipe at home. I would really appreciate if you like and share this video if this recipe helps, and subscribe to my channel too and turn on the notifications to all. Till then, take care, bye bye, and keep cooking.